Everyone, so it's 5:15 in the morning. I'm currently in the Spice Garden. Started my ride towards Marathali, then Electronic City. So if you have already seen my intro, you already know that this weekend I'm traveling to Dabbaguli Cauvery River Basin. So this place is around 115 kilometers from my area. I stay in Spice Garden only. So the early morning, it's a bit cold actually. The temperature is still 17, but it's feel like 15 or 16 something. I have already wore a jacket, but I'm still feeling cold. So I skipped some video part. I just have took the right turn from the Marathali bridge and just entered to the bus lane. I'm just waiting to get into the main lane or I can speed up. It's almost dark everywhere. I think in next 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes, there will be the sunrise by 6 o'clock. So here yeah, I got the main lane. Now time to speed up. So regarding the Dabbaguli, like this place is located almost in the edge of Karnataka, and better you can say in the Tamilnadu Karnataka border. So there is a multiple route. You can go via Kanakpura and you can go via Hasur, and I'm taking the route from Electricity Anekal, then from Anekal I'll be taking the route towards Banegata, then I need to check the map. Thalli route I'll be taking. So it's making around 113 kilometers. Currently I'm crossing the underpass of Kadubesanahalli. Usual daytime, this road is so full of traffic and all buses, private cars, bikes. Like this used to be one of my usual route, office commuting route, and I faced a lot of troubles regarding traffic. It's a PC for riding in night after 11. So Bangalore is almost, there is very less traffic after 11 or after 12 at night, or if you are riding early morning, you won't get any traffic. So it's a perfect time to ride. So I'm crossing Wells Fargo now on my left, riding towards RMJ World. So left side is RMJ Eco. My previous office was there. I used to work in NatWest. So from here, Silk Board is around, I guess, around 9 kilometers from here. 8 to 9 kilometers. So okay guys, like I need to get to the petrol pump, fill my tank, and meanwhile, so I took the ECT flyover and I had to stop in HSR for refueling my bike. Now it's almost morning. It took me around 40 minutes. I think it's around 6 o'clock. So I'll be riding continuously for next 10 kilometers and then I will take the right turn. So meanwhile, let's get to play some music. So near Chandrapura circle, I have taken the right side to the Anekal road from the Hosur main road, and now I am currently outskirts of Bangalore. As you can see, it's around 6:15, not 6:25 in the morning, and it's very very beautiful morning. It's the sunshine is flickering to my left side, and it's so beautiful and such a peaceful to ride. Usually, that's why I do prefer in morning taking my cycle and riding outskirts of Bangalore, because I always love the outskirts of Bangalore is very peaceful. All the villages, the areas, and all the up and downs, hilly climbs. I do love that. So I'll be riding continuously for next 10 to 12 kilometers this Anekal road, and we'll reach to Thalli. No, first I have to reach to the Banegata circle. From there I need to take the right turn. So still around 10 kilometers to go. So let's get to play some music. After taking the right turn from Banegata main road, Anekal road, uh, I'm still riding following the map actually. Then I took the Thali road, Anekal to Thali road, and I've been riding since last 5 to 6 kilometers. And I think I'm not sure about this place, which place, what is the name of this, but in going after going few kilometers, I think I need to continue to the Solur road. So it's a village area. Road is good. Meanwhile, last 2.5 kilometers road was very bad. I mean, the road was not even there actually. It was they were all loose gravels, and it was just stone chips, full of stone chips. So I had to slow my bike and ride carefully. Now the road is again good. I'm entering to a locality. Skipping for a moment. Okay, I have surpassed the locality, and again the fresh, in between the fresh nature. Whenever I'm just getting near to the forest or trees, like I'm feeling a little bit of cold, like the air is still cold. It's my hand, it's just flowing through. I'm still feeling a little bit of cold. Even I like that actually. Like it's perfect weekend morning, early morning. It's around like it's 7 o'clock, and the cool temperature, cool weather. I'm liking it actually, and specifically in this type of outskirt, it's a beautiful scenic, and you were riding through the country road. It's definitely a plus. So I'm still riding. So I've reached to the Cauvery River Wildlife Sanctuary. So from here, I think they are not charging for my bike, but for cars you have to charge. So not sure about the timing, but I have heard this timing around from at morning 6 o'clock to evening after it get closed. So this route entirely gone through the Cauvery National Forest, Reserve Forest. This route is very scenic, and also if you're riding solo, like it's kind of like you are adding some sort of adventure or thrilling experience. Forest route is very beautiful. It's giving me the feel that I'm riding towards Ooty via the Bandipur National Forest. It's not similar. I mean, you can say it's kind of a similar to Bandipur National Forest. The road is very good. Maybe I mean, this don't have that much of trees and all like Bandipur. Okay, so I've crossed the reserve forest riding about 10 around 14 kilometers close, and then again some village route. Not sure about the place. The map is taking me to where I'm going. Just road are just up and downs. The plus point is road is good. But one thing I have heard that in Dabbaguli we have almost around 10 to 12 kilometers we have very bad road condition. Basically it's off-roading you have to do. Okay, buses. All the cow horns are colored with blue colors. Nice thing. Let's speed up. Again I'm entering into a locality. It's a small village. I think from here I have to take the left turn from here. Yes. Not sure about the village name. but it's one of the things that if you're traveling to the Baguli, I mean, while during the road, you will you will get to see many villages and different peoples, monkeys. And there are many temples actually. Uh, you can easily spot many temples after a few kilometers. If I have more time, I would have spent up traveling to the exploring the village areas more. There is old mud houses. I would like to have some conversation with the villagers. I don't know they will able to understand me because I do not know Kannada. But still, I prefer to get interacted with them. There is no shop, so basically if you are traveling here you are on your own, so anything happen, you puncture or something, you have to be cautious. There is no puncture repairs or nothing, only you can find from us. Okay, so here I've stopped now. I have to take the left. This straight road is going towards Tamil Nadu, and this left I have to take for the Baguli. And from here, the actual off-roading start. I'm just entering to a forest. Okay, this family came for a picnic here with their doggy. Good thing if you are uh, traveling in the winter season, then it's good. And if you are riding in the monsoon Dabbaguli is very good, but you have to be a bit cautious about the road conditions because it's totally a muddy road. It will be monsoon, you can guess it will be just full of mud and everything. So either if you are bringing your jeep or proper off-roading bike or vehicles, then it's good. And very early morning, I don't prefer to solo ride is a safe option, but it's now around 8 o'clock. It's no one is here actually, and this route will continue for next 4.5 kilometers through the forest. Many placard and signboard I have noticed while before crossing the Cauvery reserve forest, that leopards, elephants are there, no horns, no signal, something that is good. But this kind of uh, board signboard basically gave us the thrilling that okay, animals do also. This is not our area. This is their area actually. Okay, some peoples are there. I think they are crossing. They are going somewhere. They are the locals, students. Not sure. I'm continually riding. The sunshine is directly hitting in my left cheek. But the road is beautiful, isn't it? The road is as good, but it will be like after evening, or if we're riding in night, it will be damn scary. Cause no one around, no people around, there is no locality around. Locality is around 5 to 6 kilometers far. So we have to this road. I'll continue for next 2 3 3 around 3 kilometers, and after that I need to get to the this. Okay, so this is the check post. Dabbaguli checkpost. From if you're taking your bike, you have to pay 30 rupees for your bike, and I already have paid 30 rupees. Now from here again the off-roading have started. So the guy at the checkpost told me now Dabbaguli from here it's around 4 kilometers. So I have almost reached. It's around like morning 8:20. Now the road is becoming more bad, though it's very scenic road, but it's like the road tarmac is not good. It's just full of stone chips, stones, gravels. It's not good. I'm not going to the right side. It's a bit steep there. I stopped for a while, took some pictures. It stiff down slope, so don't take the risk to go to the right side, because this is not a proper road actually. So you don't know the thickness of the gravels of underlying road conditions. So you might, if you are using any vehicle, it might get slipped, and then it's risky actually. So don't prefer to go to the side road. So almost after riding 2.5 kilometers, 1.5 kilometers to go, I can spot I can hear the river sound actually, the water flowing to the river. I do not know like if you are hearing the sound through my GoPro, to my camera. It's not able to capture, but I am able to see the sound. So here I have reached. The first picture I've taken, little bit shiny. Time to relax and sit there for a while, then I'll go back.